This video is going to be a little bit different to my usual videos, and that is because in this video, I want to talk all about motion elements. So let's get into it. Now, the reason why I want to take a second to talk about motion elements is because we have teamed up and they are going to be sponsoring the channel for 1 whole year. So Motion Elements is a marketplace. They offer a monthly subscription and you can download templates for Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, Final Cut, so much more. They also have stock video, images, music, loads. So let's go onto the Motion Elements website and let's have a quick look at what they offer. So as you can see, this is the homepage and you can see these are all the different categories that they offer. So I'm going to go into Premiere Pro and you can see we've got these different categories here. So we've got design elements, logos, social media templates, text transitions, much more. But let's go into text. This could be quite cool. So as you can see, you've got all of these different templates. So you've got some message bubble templates over here. You've got some modern titles. You've got all of these really great dynamic titles, social media icons, and much more. You can also change the category by going to the left. So you can change this from text to design elements. We can go to social media, logos, weddings, vertical, much more. And we can also go into style and filter out here. So we can go for text in the category and we want the style to be cute. You can see this loads up here. We've also got pop. You can see we've also got different versions. So if you've got an older version of Premiere, then you can select your version here. And you've got orientation. So we can select horizontal, vertical, or square, and then resolution as well. So we've got HD and 4K. Now I'm just going to go on to this one here. As you can see, this is the template. These are all the titles that we get with this one download. So I'm just going to press download. And as you can see, this is 3840 by 2160. I'm then going to go to my downloads. I'm going to find that in my folder. And as you can see, we've got minimal and lower thirds. And in the MoGut folder, we've got all of these MoGut files. So if we now go into Premiere Pro, we go into the Essential Graphics panel and we select this button here, Install Motion Graphics Template. We can now go to our Finder and find the MoGut files. So as you can see, we've now navigated our way to this folder and we can just select one of these. So let's go for number 1. We'll press open. I'm just going to drag that into my composition. We'll keep the existing settings. And as you can see, this is the template. So if I now go back into Essential Graphics and I go into Edit, I can scale this down to now fit my composition. I can move this around with the position. I can change the colors like this. I can actually go into Text 01 and change the names. So I'm going to go to Chris Brooker for the first one and then video creator on the second line. And when we play this back, you can see this is now updated. And it's not just Premiere Pro templates that Motion Elements has. Motion Elements also has all of these other assets. So you can see we've got stock video. So you can see we've got stock animations, we've got live action videos, VR 360 videos. There's loads going on here. You can also go into music, so you can download this music. Graphic templates, Midjourney presentations, Notion, Final Cut, After Effects. You know After Effects I'm a big fan of on this channel. Now, the content seen on Motion Elements isn't uploaded by just a handful of people. Motion Elements is like a marketplace where creators can upload all of their work. This means if you've got stock video, text presets, animations, you can upload them to the site. And once Motion Elements approves your assets, then you can now start selling these on the platform. So you can actually earn money from this platform as well. And I'm going to be migrating all of my digital products onto Motion Elements as well. Now, like I mentioned earlier, Motion Elements and I have teamed up. They are sponsoring the channel for 1 whole year. So I am going to talk about them a little bit, but don't worry, it's not going to be in every single video. I'm not going to be showing you tutorials that require Motion Elements templates. I will still be teaching tutorials for everybody, but the name Motion Elements may appear every now and then. So if you want to download text presets, animation, graphics, stock video, images, and more, then click the link in the description below. Motion Elements have offered a 70% discount on your first month with a subscription, so it is really affordable. That's everything that I wanted to cover in this video. So thank you once again to Motion Elements for becoming the channel sponsor, and thank you for watching this video and your continued support on this channk. So thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you on the next video. See you there.